Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch football match live on mobile or PC. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So I know how annoying it is trying to find a good stream for the match without getting hit with those crazy monthly fees. Now I've actually found three sites that are total lifesavers here for football fans. Now, first, you've got to check out Live Sports 077. Now, this is basically a full matchday hub, so not only do you get the live stream, but it also keeps you updated with real time scores and stats while you're watching. That's perfect if you're on the move and don't want to miss a single record. Now, next is we have YosinTV.net. Now, this one is a goldmine for global football. Now, the interface is super clean and easy to navigate, so you can find your kickoff in seconds without any hassle. That's simple, reliable, and completely free. And lastly, you may want to check out GenzaiTV.com. Now, it's a fan favorite because the streams are high quality and the connection is usually lightning fast here. So they cover everything from the big major leagues to local games with no hidden catches. So in this case, those are the recommended websites here that you may want to check out, but still at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to check out this web pages. Now, the great thing about this one is you can access this both on your PC and also your mobile device here. Just make sure to go to your official website. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.